So me bad like
See, you know, that a show.
yeah.
But you know, a show from my dashboard to my life. But better I say it to my life.
So yeah, what about that? The next thing I know about this. What about YouTube? No. What about YouTube?
New streamline. Go control room to the new way to go live.
In this video,
Like
I'll
the
show
new
you how to set up.
But they not show me the live on me there. I see it like how you look on YouTube.
You man you beat in your face any day. That me at the end. Man stop your nine. Look your butt. They can't even walk in and make a lick my sleep up.
So here's what they're gonna do. You have money to order food? No? Yo, me live, right? Yo, Bravestar, you hear me?
Yeah.
You sound low, bro.
You say the man one
Bro, I'm sure killing Monday, na dog.
kill one day and the next one let oh. Where my yard be me? 2 chat team pick up. You know what I will play first? I will better one. That's a body great attack.
Bro, the fight with me in it just so cringe, dog. Look at, check if my live though when you have time.
Bomba.
You dead?
But two is better, kid. The top never. Two is better, bitch.
Let's say me have 2 viewers.
Oh man, you can get one
Oh, you talk to your Twitch news?
yeah.
I'm not think so. Somebody on boat. Are you? No?
No.
I think I heard a boat. I'm not sure. I can probably just be paranoid. Oh, fire circle. Oh, good. Tell Twitch you write something safe that show on my stream live the text. Somebody on me. Bomba, man harpoon me, They on me, they on me. Bravestar, forward, they on me, bro. Easy, man. How you fuck your push? Easy, man.
You kill him?
Of course.
I do it.
One man. We give him a 200 AC, man. Yo, he dead instantly. Instant dead.
Okay, don't waste my time, brother.
Bro, remember those we think got a full squad, the man come and harpoon me and I push me well aggressive, bro. As him wall, you know the trick when you wall drop, you shot him in the head before he could even do nothing. 200 me give him. Yeah. Easy, man. No, but me I call if you come help in case it was more than one. Alright, yes, batty break. My sister, you're there at Twitch. Okay, that's showing a Twitch chat. Nice Streamlabs, that's all me want to check, sure. Make man easy, man. Fuck him up, push me so aggressive. Man, I remember down aggressive and Bravestar.
You mean by can't pop up on chat?
No, me look if it pop up on my Streamlabs. Me not there on YouTube. I looking up. Me can look on. Me can just step on my Streamlabs and see the things them.
Somebody coming.
Oh, okay.
Okay. You know, you can pop up certain things. You can understand.
Bro, I want to ammo box is there another one crane. What the hell? I need to move up this side.
Yes, sir. I two nigga them, man.
I boy dey on the boat, man. I in me ear, you see me? He come rush me, man. Harpoon me, you know. The bum. And this a P90 my bill, and a P90 my bill, Zag. I say, alright, as a wall drop, me give me 200.
Big calm.
Man says turn down my latency. What that mean? What, my delay time? I'm delay time, that is?
Not sure.
To YouTube, one. Why should I turn it down though? Is the right to say normal latency? Why am I turn it wild? I don't know if that will affect my internet, dog. I'm say Wi-Fi me depend to show it. Me appreciate it showing this normal already. I'm still far there. Actually kinda low. Alright, I'm turning it down a little bit. But I have to stop the stream though, main stream. Are you sure you want the end stream end?